how to recover lost Brawl Stars account. So here's what we want to do. Open up your browser on your phone and I'll just go search for recover Brawl Stars account. If you scroll down, you should see this Supercell support portal. So you'll just click on I've lost access to my account, and it's going to tell us that there are two ways of how we can get our account back. So if you have it connected to a Supercell ID, you may be able to get it back yourself. So here you can search through your email accounts for any messages mentioning Supercell ID. Once you know the email, you can enter in game settings and tap on Supercell ID option and then select login. If you have lost access to your email and account, then first you will need to have a valid email address to successfully get your account back. So here you will need to have your codes ready. So if you have account protection enabled, make sure you have access to your phone number or recovery codes. And then here, once you've got an email to connect to your game account, you want to open up your game, complete the game tutorial if necessary, that is on a new account, of course, or without an account. And then you'll click on help and support. Then you will tap the blue message bubble to contact us and choose the option related to account access and Supercell ID, and Supercell can then assist you. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.